the KOSPI index dropped more than 5% in intraday trading, prompting the Korea exchange to activate a sell-side sidecar for the first time in years. This mechanism is designed to halt program trading for 5 minutes and allow human traders to reassess market conditions. The KOSPI is a key benchmark for South Korean equities, and such a sharp decline is rare and significant. The sell-side sidecar is not a full market halt, only automated program trading is suspended. Retail investors can still place manual orders, but the pause often leads to increased volatility. Once trading resumes, the sell-side sidecar is triggered automatically when the KOSPI futures index falls more than 5% from the previous day's close. It is intended to prevent panic selling and algorithmic cascades that can accelerate declines. The Korea exchange has used this tool only a handful of times in recent years, making today's activation noteworthy. The mechanism allows the market to take a short breath, but it does not address the underlying causes of the drop. The decline comes amid heightened global uncertainty, including concerns over U.S. interest rate policy and geopolitical tensions. South. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Korea's export data has also been weaker than expected, adding to investor anxiety. The KOSPI has been under pressure for weeks, and today's move represents one of the largest single-day drops of the year. For investors, this signals extreme volatility and potential instability in the broader market. The activation of the sell-side sidecar is a clear indicator of market stress. While the Korea exchange aims to stabilize conditions, repeated use of the mechanism can point to deeper structural issues. The fact that this event is so rare makes it particularly important for market watchers too. Pay attention. The 5-minute trading pause is a temporary measure and does not guarantee a return to stability. Program trading is a major driver of market movements, and its suspension can have ripple effects. When program trading is paused, the market becomes more reliant on human decisions, which can either stabilize or exacerbate volatility depending on the actions taken. The Korea exchange has designed this mechanism to give traders time to reassess before automated systems resume trading. For investors, the key takeaway is to remain cautious. The sell-side sidecar is a signal of extreme market conditions, not a solution. Retail investors should avoid panic-driven decisions and consider the broader market context before making moves. The 5-minute pause is often followed by increased volatility as trading resumes, so timing is important. The KOSPI's performance is closely watched globally, and a sharp decline in South Korea can have spillover effects in other markets. The Korea exchange's decision to activate the sell-side sidecar is a rare but significant move that reflects the current level of uncertainty and volatility. The next signal to watch is whether the KOSPI stabilizes after the 5-minute pause or. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. If further declines occur, investors should monitor the index's performance in the coming hours and look for signs of broader market sentiment. If the KOSPI continues to decline, it could indicate deeper issues in the region's financial markets. If it stabilizes, it may signal a temporary correction rather than a long-term trend. The sell-side sidecar is a tool to manage volatility, but it is not a cure for the underlying issues affecting the KOSPI. Investors should consider the broader economic and geopolitical factors at play and assess their own risk tolerance before making any decisions.